Oh, hey guys, I was just going to show you a quick thing here. These are all the buttons for the trunk. And this is a 2017 Subaru Outback. And my back hatch was like beeping even when the car was driving. So I watched a couple videos, and the easiest way to get that beeping to turn off was I just disconnected the battery. So I just was going to share that with you guys. I tried the buttons over, the buttons inside the vehicle, like right here, a bunch of times. Turn the car on and off. So the way to do it is just disconnect the battery. Hope this helps you.